Coming! Who is that? Ah, Big Head!
Auntie Ruki.
Are you in my house?
Ah. Auntie Ruki, I come to report case where they worry me.
Case? What case? What's the issue?
Auntie Ruki, I won't beg you in God's name. You see that knack when I go to knack every night, where you go to use noise, they stop everywhere. You have to stop it.
What's the meaning of that?
You have to stop it.
Are you normal?
I'm very normal though.
Is something right with you?
Now that's in my way.
You left your duty post. Came to my house to come and do what? Come and say this rubbish? Are you alright?
See, I even they call you auntie with the crazy muscle. See, Ruki, let me tell you.
Hey.
Now in the night I dey do my work. Now you dey here dey sleep. In the night while I suppose dey awake, they guide you, they protect you, they secure you as the chief security IP. You go dey use your way, hand my leg, finish me. You go see, stop it.
Oh my God.
Me sef na human being. As you dey shout, you dey touch me for body. You dey touch me. Stop. Now wetin I say I can't tell you.
I'm not sure you are normal.
I'm very okay.
Leave my house.
I will leave.
You're a very stupid man.
Don't try
I
this.
said leave my house and go to your duty post.
If you do that, I see now water. I don't package water.
You don't have that.
Correct house. Why I can't use the stop
Oh
now.
my God.
Try me again.
Oh my God. What is it? Are you? Did he smoke?